Okay. I get it. I'm pretty late to upload my own birthday vlog. It's been 1 month since my birthday. But cut your girl some slack because I had COVID and I'm a major procrastinator. But now that I finally edited this video, it's finally here for you guys to see. So enjoy my birthday vlog. So I started my day, or say midnight, with some nachos and dips. The next day it was raining so beautifully, so I thought let's dress up, and I had already gotten a new jeans for myself, so I dressed up in that and ordered some really yummy breakfast. That was some croissant, tiramisu and some coffee. So I gifted myself an Apple Watch for my birthday. This is Apple Watch SE, and I've been meaning to get this for the longest time, but मैं इसको अपने कार्ट में डालती थी, निकालती थी. I was just looking for a discount, so I got like a 5% discount on this, and it's my birthday, so I thought I'll splurge. So let's unbox this. So here I am unboxing my Apple Watch and miserably failing at it. So I was honestly very scared to drop it on the camera. Like, I didn't want to drop it in front of you guys, so I was just being very cautious. And here are some awkward drum rolls and me showing you the watch. Oh my god, that's extra. Okay, so yeah, now I'm like legit scared. I remember I was very scared because I was opening the watch and I didn't want it to fall. So yeah, there were two boxes inside the, I don't know, packaging. Yeah, so the first one had the dial, and I am awkwardly opening it right now, just trying not to drop it, and then turning it on, trying to figure out how to turn it on. And I was like, oh, why is this not turning on? Then I realized it was not charged. Like, Apple, the least you could have done is charge my Apple Watch. I paid so much for it. So yeah, there was one charging cable along with it, and then a few straps, and me struggling to open the strap, like the box of the strap. And yeah, did it finally. Well done, Vaishali. So there were basically two straps inside of this, which are like small, medium and medium large. And again, I'm struggling to remove it and I didn't want to drop it. So yeah, material of this strap is very soft, so it's like very comfortable. The rest of the day I was just chilling in the balcony eating my tiramisu. And honestly, I can't complain that on that day I was working because it was raining and the balcony looked like the perfect place for me to work in. And then in the evening I got ready in my birthday dress that my sister gifted, and I was doing just some awkward things. On my birthday, my mom made a really beautiful cake for me. I didn't get it from outside, and I just put some candles on it, blew those candles. And so on my birthday, there's a rule that the first person I feed the cake is myself, because it's my birthday. Why should anyone else get to eat the cake? So I take the first bite and it was yummy, as you can see from my face. We enjoyed some yummy Chinese that my mom made. And in the night I started writing in this journal. So this was the first day that I started journaling. I had gifted myself a little journal on my birthday because I wanted to inculcate the habit of journaling every single day. So that is what I was doing in the night. I talked to a friend of mine, and after that I just sit down to write in this journal, and that was the first day that I did. And now it's been almost a month and I'm still journaling, and I'm really proud of it. So, and honestly, I didn't write any specific thing in that journal, just whatever came to my mind, kept writing. And yeah, that's the end of my birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep watching my channel for more such random videos because I will be putting them out. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.